welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews, brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I am Eric, and I'm going to introduce you to my buddy here. Oh, this is a big one. It's not too big, but bigger than most things that I review. This is a Bionic Mop by HIZERO. This is an awesome product. It is a great floor cleaning product. It is designed for cleaning hard floor surfaces, so wood laminate flooring, wood flooring, tile, marble, anything like that. It is 4-in-1 because it mops, it sweeps, it dries, and it is self-cleaning. So it's kind of a all-in-one for cleaning hard flooring. And I'm going to set this to the side while I talk to you about it. I always show you video footage so you can see all the different aspects that I am talking about as I'm explaining it to you. I love this product. It's great. It's small, it's compact, it's easy to maneuver around because there's no cord. It's cordless, rechargeable, runs off a battery, 60 to 80 minutes on a battery charge. So you don't have to worry about a cord. You just pick it up from the charger and go. It has 2 tanks, one tank where you put fresh water, and you can also include a cleaner. Now they do recommend you use the HIZERO brand cleaner if you're going to use cleaner with it, but you don't have to use cleaner with it. You can just use straight water. And then the second tank, that is a collection tank, that's a tank that collects the dirty water once you've cleaned when you're cleaning the floor. So as you're running this, what's it doing? Well, it's putting down that water. There is a scrub brush, sponge scrub brush on the bottom that is spinning. It is cleaning the floor as well as picking up anything that's on the floor, dirt, spilled stuff. If you were to spill cereal or something like that, it picks up, doesn't just clean the dirt and the grime off the floor. It also has that sweeping mechanism that picks up if there's just like a collection of dried stuff on the floor. The stuff like that, the larger things, get collected into a small bin that is inside of the head of the machine. And then the water, the dirty water that is now being sucked back in because it puts the water out and then it sucks it back in, dries it, pulls it back in, then goes into the dirty water collection bin. They're not very large because the whole thing is about being sleek and being compact and being lightweight and easily maneuverable. So it's 2 small water bins, the clean water and the dirty water, and then a small rechargeable battery that's easy to put in. And then the mop itself, very easy to maneuver around and get in tight spaces. That's one of the things I love about it, is it's very lightweight and very easy to use. With it being cordless, you can go anywhere you need to go with this thing. So not just for use in the kitchen, or like we have hardwood floors everywhere, so we have wood laminate flooring, so we're using it in the dining room to clean the dining room floor, but also in the bathroom. You can get around the toilet with this thing because it's the pivot head, and because it's so small and lightweight, you can get into places you couldn't get with a lot of traditional hard floor cleaners. It does a great job. Now I have another hard floor cleaner that I reviewed before that has the brush heads that spin on the bottom, and that cleaner probably, because it has those brush heads that scrub, probably does a little bit better of the deep cleaning, but it also has a cord. It's also much bigger. It's more of something you maybe do once every 6 months. What I love about the HIZERO Bionic Cleaner, it's so simple, it's so lightweight, because it's rechargeable, because it doesn't have a cord. It's the kind of thing you can use on a weekly basis to keep your floors clean all the time, and or for those here and there spot moments when someone just spilled something on the floor, you need to clean it up. The HIZERO mop is a great way to do it, because it's going to clean everything up and it's going to scrub the floor and get the floor clean. It does a great job of getting like things that have been sitting on the floor for a while and kind of dried on the floor, getting those cleaned up, as well as picking up stuff that's just sitting on the floor, dust or dirt or crumbs and things like that. It gets all that stuff. It's easy to open up and take out the tray that has the stuff like that that's collected in it. Now you can use a disposable tray and just throw the tray away, or you can just dump it and wash it out and then reuse it. Either way it'll work. And then the dirty water, easy, just take out, you dump that out, take the clean water bin, fill that back up, put that back in, and keep going. It's great, it does have indicators, so when you get to the end of the clean water, when it's running out, it flashes red, the whole handle flashes red, as well as an indicator at the top. It has a great little digital display at the top that lets you know the battery's okay, lets you know if the battery's charging, if once either the clean water is empty or the dirty water is full, which technically those should happen about the same time, but if either one of those things happen, it lets you know, so you know you need to change it out right away. And you do that, and then you go right back to using it again. You can use it, what's great is you can use it if you're cleaning your whole floor, like you're cleaning the whole dining room and hallway floor, or you can use it for just spot cleaning when just a certain spot needs to be cleaned. Again, it's the Bionic Mop by HIZERO. I think it's great. I think it has all the features that you want in a product like this. It's fairly affordable, and it is available on Amazon. I'm going to have a link in the description below. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about it, and you can pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions about it, maybe something I didn't cover that you want to know about it, please feel free to ask that in the description below. I'll do my best to answer the best of my knowledge and answer as quickly as I can. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. I think it's a great product, and it's if you're in the market for a product, something that will clean hard floor surfaces, tile, hardwood flooring, wood laminate, things like that, it's hard to beat this because of the fact that it does the sweeping slash vacuuming, if you will. It also does the actual mopping and does a good job of really mopping and cleaning the floors. Like I said, when we use it on our dining room floor, we get done, our dining room floor had a shine to it didn't have before, but also it got up, like in the kitchen you could see when it got up the grime and stuff, and we were able to use it in our bathroom floors. And we were never able to use a good cleaner in the bathroom before because we didn't have one that would get around the commode and that kind of stuff. And this one does, because it's lightweight, portable, very, very simple to use, easy to set up and get going, but does a great job. And what more really could you ask for? Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways to do that are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist if you want to keep up with future product reviews, or just subscribe to my channel to keep up with all the videos that I post. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.